This is a para summary question. It talks about working women's status in Pakistan. It says that rural women perform poorly and lag far behind their urban counterparts. And the National Female Labour Force shows that rural women not only experience discrimination but also suffer invisibility because their economic participation is greatly underestimated. The national statistics show that there are certain reasons which affect women's participation and bar them from entering labor markets. The first is the stigma attached to the employment, and the second is the large gap between men's and women's employment, which further reinforces the perception that women should not go for paid work. Let us now look at the options. Option A. Pakistani labor force discourages women from being a part of it. This is factually correct, but it does not cover the part where the passage says that rural women suffer due to the fact that they are discouraged from being a part of the labor force. So option A is incorrect. Option B. Rural women suffer immensely because they often do not enter the workforce because of various reasons. Now this option is correct. It talks of both the parts. Number one, that rural women suffer because rural women suffer by not being a part of the labor force. Number two, and the reasons why they are not allowed to be a part of the labor force. Option C. Urban women are better positioned in the society than their rural counterparts. This again is factually correct, but it does not talk about the fact that rural women are discouraged from being a part of the labor force. Option D. Rural women often do not enter the workforce because paid work is seen as a taboo in Pakistan. This is only one of the reasons why rural women do not enter the workforce. There are other reasons also. This option does not talk about them. And it also does not talk about the fact that rural women lag far behind their urban counterparts. So the correct answer to this question is option B.